This is also something that I've decided to do when my mom leaves. Ear rape warning, by the way. So if you have earbuds, I'd make sure they're at the lowest volume possible, and I don't know, just ear rape warning. I'm sorry. Rip. Oh my god! Jesus Christ! This is over. Fucking Christ! I hope it's picking up my mic. I'm gonna stop now.